Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendu. It has been a long time. It's been like 2 months, maybe 2 months. Yeah, it's been that long. Anyways, so I'm back. Sorry I've been gone for that long. So many things are happening in my life. Most of them were good. Actually, all of them were good. I graduated, I traveled, did some traveling here and there. If you're not following me on Instagram, what do you do with your life? Get your life together, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle down below, somewhere here, anywhere, somewhere. Alright. Yeah. So I'm happy to be filming this look. I did like a take on the level up challenge that has been going around on Instagram. If you don't know level up challenge, it's like Sarah's new song Level Up. Let me tell you, I am digging that song. So I decided to level up from this to this. Like, girl, like this is some level up 10. It's a level up 10. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. 2, 1, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Hi guys, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. I'm using this wig that I bought from AliExpress. I actually didn't buy the wig from AliExpress. I bought the hair, and then my friend Barry, shout out to you, ABC, old glam hot, hey, what up? She helped me with the wig, but like I'm not like the best at installing frontal wigs. As you can see, there's no baby hairs or stuff like that, so this is not a tutorial on how to slay your frontal wig because I do not even know how to. But anyways, I'm jumping right into the skin, and I'm using the Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum, and this just helps, you know, it just gives this glow from within look, you know. And I always like to do my skincare before makeup, because I noticed that when I don't, it just looks weird. So now I'm using like the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. This moisturizer doesn't really do much for me, but it's like a good moisturizer to use before makeup. And now I'm using the Fenty Beauty No Pro Filter Primer to prime my skin and get my skin ready. So now I'm using the lip balm from Revlon Kiss, and I'm jumping into my skin and into the Glow Life, of course, using the Melanie Gleam Body Radiance in bronze gold. So for my foundation today, I'm using Revlon Colorstay foundation in the color 400 Caramel. It's a little bit light for me because I got tan this summer. I tried not to, but it was inevitable. So yeah, you'll notice that it's looking a little bit ashy. That's the reason. Yeah, and I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. The color is 20R205, and no, I did not choose this color by myself. My cousin chose it for me. I was not there. It was bought in absentia, so let's just say that's why it's looking that white. But I don't really like the concealer because if you leave it too long, it doesn't blend as well, and it didn't even conceal. Like you can see, after I finished blending, I still could see my bags under my eyes. So I don't even know why I had bags. Maybe I didn't sleep early that day. That's my bad habit. So anyways, I'm contouring with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany, and I'm just blending that in a circular motion. I just like to use like a flat foundation brush and just blend in a circular motion. For my brows, I'm using the Hegai Esther Sculpting Brow Pencil. And if you have watched my channel, if you've been on my channel for long, you know that I love this brow pencil. It's really nice and pigmented. And then I'm concealing the brows, of course, with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Golden. And I'm using the Real Techniques Detailer brush, and then I'm going to blend it all out with this big fluffy brush. So now I'm using the Real Techniques contour brush to brush off the setting powder from my face. Using Colourpop concealer to prime my lids. so my eyeshadow has a good base and something to stick to. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Masquerade palette by Juvias Place. I use Zulu in my crease area, and I like to build my crease, so I use a lot of colors there. Okay, dance break. Okay, yes, girl, yeah, get it. Okay, back to back to the tutorial. I used Fulani to kind of deep in the crease, like get like a brown tint happening, and then I used Zobo, which is like a very nice plum, and then I went back to Fulani to bring back the brown to the crease because the Zobo took some of it out. So now I'm using Cairo on the center of my lid, and it's like this fine pinky berry, not matte, shimmery shadow tint happening. Like I said, I'm not the best at naming colors, so bear with me. And for the inner and outer part of my eyelids, I'm using Ada. So this is kind of like a halo look with most colors from like the same color group or color family, but you know, with like shimmer in the center of the lids. And so now I'm lining my eyes with, I have no idea what pencil that is actually. My inner tear duct area, I used the color Giza, still from the palette, and of course your girl is feeling herself. Okay. And now I'm going into blush. I'm using also the Juvias Place Saharan blush palette volume 1, and I use the color Neo to blush up them apple of my cheeks. And now I'm spritzing my face with the Skindanivia makeup finishing spray because you want to take out all that powdery look. And of course I went in also with Nuban Beauty Silk makeup fixing spray because I'm extra. Using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter, the color Mid Money and Hustler Baby, and I spritzed my brush with makeup finishing spray as well to just get it dewy, is that the word? You know, I'm not sure, but it just helps bring like the voom vam voom to the voom. I wanted something like really bold for my lips, and then I decided to line my lips first with this brown lip liner, and I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Jet Set. And this seemed like a good idea until I looked into the camera and I saw how bright it was, and I was just like, yeah, what did I just do to myself? What is the? I went ahead to use the Jax Cosmetics Zafira lipstick, which is kind of like a midnight blue color. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.
Level up, 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 level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up.